National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York at 20 nautical miles until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 5 nautical miles southeast of Jamaica Bay, moving east at 30 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Joe's Inlet, Middle Bay around 6:10 p.m., East Bay around 6:15 p.m., over Oyster Bay around 6:25 p.m., Fire Island Inlet around 6:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safer immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or to its law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following marine location: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles.